Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the interfaces versus type aliases. So today we'll be discussing about interface inheritance, right? So interfaces can extend other interfaces to inherit their properties and add the new ones. So let's try to implement the same thing with the simple example. So initially let's see the interface interface inheritance, right? So I'll just show you the single interface inheritance. You can just explore about the multiple interface inheritance as well. Let's go with a very simple example, extending a single interface. I'll just come here. Let me quickly create the JS file here. So within this one, what I'll do, I'll just make use of interface. So sorry, I'll just name this one TS, right? Sorry. So yeah, here what I'll do, I'll just give here interface vehicle. So I'll just take the property speed and assign this one to the type number. So this one is fine. Again, let me consider interface here car extends. Here I'll just give vehicle. So within this one, I'll just take the property model and assign this one to the string. So next, let me come out of this interface as well. Let me give here const my car. So let me quickly assign this one to the car, basically whatever I had considered. So within this one, within the object, let me give here speed, which is of the so we have given number, right? I'll just give here 120 in my case. So I have considered model, which is basically of the type string. I'll just give here Toyota. You can give anything. For this example, this is relevant, so I'm considering this one, right? I'll quickly come out of this object. Let me log something very quickly. So I'll just give here my car. So this is fine. Let me quickly format the document once. So I'll just give here tsc, the name of the file. So I'll just give here index.ts. So yeah, I'll just give here node.js, right? Sorry, node. You can see we have the one more JS file. So we are getting the output here, speed 120 model Toyota, which is absolutely correct. So I'll quickly explain whatever I have written here, right? So car extends vehicle, whatever I have written here, this one basically it includes speed and adds its own property model. You can clearly see here this uh, includes the speed and adds its own property model as well, which is of the type string, basically, right? So and also object of the type car here, this one object of the type car, this must match the combined shape, which is considering speed and model both, right? So while I log, I'm getting the output speed 120 model Toyota, which is absolutely correct. So I hope the concept of interface inheritance is completely clear. So I have shown you the example of single interface inheritance. So you can please do. I insist you to try out with the different examples, right? So I mean, try out with multiple interface inheritance as well. You'll get to know the concept better, right? So that's what I wanted to say. Next, let's discuss on the topic extending built-in types. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.